Imagine a gooey, chocolatey delight that has been warming hearts around campfires for generations. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of s'mores and exploring how this simple treat can be transformed in surprising ways. S'mores consist of a toasted marshmallow and chocolate sandwiched between two graham crackers. This treat is particularly popular in the United States and Canada, often enjoyed by the campfire. While traditional s'mores are made over a fire, there's a viral twist that has amassed 47 million views, replacing marshmallows with cheese for a savory take. This hack shows how creativity can transform simple treats. For those who prefer not to cook over an open flame, frozen s'mores are a convenient alternative. Made with only 6 ingredients and thawed whipped topping, these can be prepared ahead of time for any occasion. S'mores campfire cones are another delightful variation. These cones are filled with gooey marshmallows and melted chocolate chips, offering a portable and fun dessert that's perfect for outdoor adventures or cozy nights in. Adding fruits like bananas can also enhance the s'mores experience. A banana boat filled with chocolate and marshmallows roasted over a fire adds a fresh twist to this classic dessert, making it both delicious and fun. From traditional recipes to innovative twists like cheese s'mores or banana boats, the possibilities are endless. S'mores continue to be a beloved treat that brings people together around the campfire and beyond. So there you have it, s'mores in all their glorious variations. Which version will you try next? Share your favorite twist or experience with us in the comments below.